So Jet just totally ate it, and he said it didn't hurt, it only hurt in the moment. But let me check. How's your arm?
Good.
Look at me. You totally ate it. And I thought you actually broke your arm there for a second because your face looked really bad.
You did not think I broke my arm.
I don't know if you broke it, but I thought you really hurt yourself. And then you're like, just hurt in the moment. Oh, no, it still hurts, doesn't it?
No, it does not hurt still.
Go like this. You totally ate crap.
I'm probably bruised, but that's all.
Bruised but not broken? Are you gonna be able to play basketball tomorrow? You got b-ball. How did you eat it so bad? Were you trying to slide?
Yes. What happened to Rick Astley?
The song ended. Alright, no, you get no head start this time.
You didn't give us a head start.
I gave you like 2 seconds. I have video evidence.
That's not fair. You're gonna win. If you don't, because you're like barely behind me.
I went sideways though. I didn't go straight. Oh man, we're at the end again? I don't want to be on the same here. Here, let's let a few people go in front of us so we can be in the middle. Oh.